can be whatever we want. It's time to go make some new memories. Happy ones.
Hakuna chance.
Ketibela.
Retibet. O sa retibet.
Ya ketibela he.
Retibet.
Let's move.
Ke tse tjena.
All right, people. We finally have a location on Jonathan Black and on Edge Center. Load up the jet. We need to get a team to Jakarta yesterday.
Bana batsana bana kaofela ba.
Dear Prudence, won't you come out to play? Dear Prudence,
Bana ne ba introduce ntate. Ke ena ka te. Oh, ni ngana go botse.
19%. There goes Rich Wabote. Music no gets a copyright. Aye. Somebody said I love that Rich. Yo. Oh man. Where are we? So if you haven't heard, Blind Spot is a series. So it's based on what you call this? Zip. What is that? Oof. Look at that Z. Got a really bad Z right there. Eesh. 13 people. Look at. Uh-huh. Do I look like rich.com? If any of you guys know that series, it's called Blind Spot. Do I really look like that guy? I doubt it. I really doubt it. I do not think I look like that guy. But hey, who knows, man? Maybe I do, maybe I don't. I don't know. Let me start doing this. Aibo. Ah. Da da da. Eh. Da da.
Hello.
Suntsona le batho ba
Jane o na nahana dina. Jane ha ba qeta ho khatha diwayara ha ba ha ke tawa ke amen back in the back again
back.
in the same place.
So
O kgutletse ka hara back ya ditopo.
jwang. O
Shwele.
sa zipue. Kapa o shwele.
After ba khatha diwayara nkere wa bona ho hlaya mo ba tijelang and stuff. Ha ya etsahala jwalo. Ba khatha diwayara Jane awa.
I die.
Paramedic tsamtre ba ke amen.
So
Kenya ka beke.
jwale wa khutla kapa ha
O
khutla.
shwele madlo.
Akga. Series ena o batla e fela.
Ifetse.
Akga e fetse hape he.
I guess so. It takes like the same too. So I guess I if it is
Terrible ending. Terrible ending. Wayazi terrible ending done. Two scalums. Two scalums. Do you know what a scalum is? Two scalums right there. Look at them. I'll show you. I'll show you the scalums. Scalum number 1 right there. Scalum number 2 right on that other side. Two scalums. Two scalums. The first scalum. And then there's the other scalum. Yeah, you scalum. There's a scalum. There's another scalum right there. Right there, there's another scalum. Two scalums here. Bad looking scalums. Huh? The scalum, look at him. Is that him? Another scalum. Here's another scalum.
Another scalum.
Yeah, look at him. He's a scalum. Hey, look at him. And there's another scalum right there. Huh? Come on. And then this scalum sitting down and on. Say I win. How many to win?
Talk about.
Like one. Chibi.
Baby.
It's a fit. I'm so comfortable.
I'm not going to train.
When alone, go to listen one. Go. Over.
I can't
Last year, last go 2 seats. Go. Over. Go 2 seats. I got live. Go. And go, Jens. Go to. Go. Slow. I go, Jens. Go. To feed. Show for the kids.
Go, Sherry.
The scalums. Natagant. Anam. Nataga accent. Yeah. We say, what do you say?
Hey!
Yeah. Chalo te jala guys. Chalo jala guys. So.
Yes, the wedding.
What's the look at mo?
Hey,
Make it think.
come up here for a few more hours. Can you take care of him, right?
Butle.
Conrad. Yeah.
Nagbatla ba bona Rich or Rich ke motho
Yeah,
jwang?
okay. Of course. I got him.
Gotta see Rich.
Thanks.
Who is Rich? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up with online no Baba guy? 8. They're waiting to see this Rich. Rich. Ba batla bona Rich eno ne ke buang ka ena. Mara he batho ba bangata ba itsebe nka ga ba itsebe series enana mos. Tsheng ke rona fela ba itseba. Re unique yo. Springtime guys. Spring. What season is it on your side? On our side is springtime. 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 It is springtime. Springtime. Look at that. Springtime, baby. Best time, springtime. Best time is the springtime. You just look good. I want to zoom into that shit. Focus. Come on, focus. Come on, my bra, focus, man. Ah, there we go. There we go. Now that's a nice focus right there. That's a nice focus right there, my brother. It's a really nice focus. You see that? That is amazing, my brother. That is cool. Rich. Yeah, Rich is some guy on a series called Blind Spot. Blind Spot. Basically, some people have been saying that I look like him, and I do not see the resemblance. So that's the issue. That's the issue. That's the issue. Springtime. What time is it on your side, guys? And how's the quality? Because on this side it's very nice, but I'm sure it's not gonna look as nice as it's supposed to be. Yeah, Saboni. This one looks good. Zoom into that shit. Where is it? I'm a dim. Tlo ha bua English. Bua English ya bo Popeye. Hai dai. Bua Popeye straight Popeye. Popeye. Tla khona e tshwara tje. Ai. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to go and fight. Let's go. I'm like, damn. Angwenya. Fanageti. Springtime and no sunshine when she's gone. La 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 la. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Zebida isn't you. Not English high. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Doo-doo-doo. E hana ka focus ya teng so. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And it da 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 da. See da da da. Aish. Hana when you are number one fan and Tom Fanak. Eh? Yeah, speed. I show speed. Eh. Number one fan I show speed. Okay, who is I show speed? Toko bajeta. Who is I show speed? In fact, I show speed kiba. Abati, bakuba jwe. So I show speed kiba. Badale fight. Badale that. Abadada tabada. By metwe, na by metwe no bajwe. So who's I show speed? Who's I show speed? Number one fan ya I show speed. This guy. Ana kempina ni rata go edlala bana yo mo mfana maitsan la rata le tshosa blind. Ana kempina yo. Muntu cover ya teng wenze je. Ngara wa screamer like into ate ngara wa scream. World Cup. Hi diamond.
I check so plan to the
Amen. Aganto, aga harake ba KSI. Aga KSI. Aga KSI le show I show speed so I show speed. Damn. Then I emela lo re I show speed. La hlana ba mo kgetha fast. I show speed or KSI bethe ba fethu. Which one do you go for?
I show speed.
Negative. I show speed. I show speed. Mara hey, luntsala sharp. What can I say? What can I do? Nothing. Eh? Abaro yata Mzansi ukayetsa ba. Concept ya high. Ibene sing concept. In real life ya high. Abayetsa ntho. Mona na Mzansi. Agoto utotwa from Phameng da. Atwe Phameng go fihlela town. Ka ilatela stream so. Okay, latela from kwa. Aya toto. Yeah. Plus ke bone dintho tsa hadi hana ke ndi in real life tsa hadi dinka nako etelele a keta batwa from Hafihla airport. Atwe from airport and then avaye a lokopana le mamang a itseng body chef body eng ha keta tloela avaye a e baya nthong a lo experience bo re culture bona ba etsa eng ne ke rata hana ba etsa ntho na le kapa ine le Indonesia kapa kae Malaysia na lo etsa ngana kapa ke mana lo etsa mana lo training ezifu walwana so kapa bane ba mo ruta ho etsa eng ba So because ona le nngwe ne ke bone ma
Nna le mana le ho chef ya nini ya a dulang a itse a bona ja chef e nngwe ya YouTube ha e shebe ntho e etsang.
Wanto hana ke mang a tough
E seng ya tough.
wa mo tseba mara a tough yani a na leng a motsho so
A
ratang ho etsang body cake ha qeta ba etsa o mbona yo ntho ngase ya
eo a etsa o etsa ne a ne ile da a speed ne ba lo una lo ha o etse video mana mo pranka a tsetse a tshwere copy ntho tsa tee a ira
a ke bo sebo
nna le nngwe a qeta ho fihla sentse a botsa sentse ba re ra tseba mole
yena
sentse chat e tjho jwang
shit
a tseba mole ba bona ka difate fe
tse ntho tse pela hae damn it mara lena o etsa ntho e nngwe wa risk kae o pele tlamelo tshaba hore what if batho ba batla tla ba le bangata and then nna le nngwe mana o iqadile a le ka ra ana ke koloi eo ya hae eo and then ha e etsa like camera ya kgwa ne ituletse yena le ka koloing a sentse a sheba hore chat e etsang and then ba ka koloi ba fihla kae ba fihla mono khona ba etsang ba buang ka hore ho lo etsuwa eng ndawong eno ene batho ba sendang ditjhelete ba senda tjhelete tse ding tse tshosang
e ka re ke challenge
ke di live di jwang ke mama modimo ngwano ko go tlweletse pina eno e bapala kaofela so you can sleep at night falling bum bum dun 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 dun. So you can sleep at night. Five time. Oh man. Okay. Alright. Zip line, baba. We outside. It's looking fruity. It's looking fruity, baby. It's looking fruity. We're falling away. Where's the chat? Yeah. Okay. Peter Walters, hello. Shout out. My phone flat. Oh my god. so we can sleep at night.
Moseng ka shwa se ke itshwareleditse tlamehile ke tlole letso le bua le kere
Kae mo
kgone go etsa so
ka letso le one
ke tlamehile ke le etse so
ga ke bona ntho e
ke
batlang
batla le betjeng
le be straight
eh
hai tlamelo le train mos le etsa ntho e batlang o etsa no ke bona
ke batla le etse tjena and then ke a bona ka letso le bua no ke ke ntse so
ha o e tlwelletse wena o e tshwere so and then we bo e tlohela mara e seng wena o tshwaretse hai tlamelo train bo mabeki tlamelo o etse almost every day otherwise izohana angeke balonke re bona re ka e etsa na tshwara tlo nna tha ke bona gore nka e etsa na Spider-Man bona ena bona e kae bona ka tshwara o itaka kaofela Babada yeno no e bua kana ya go tshwara mmele so impossible eta e ba thata fu e ka te jalo
mara senka
ngeke bona Tarzan ke yole Tarzan ka mantswe a mabedi uzofly ntwana you will fly okay re ke tse tje ka tla go tshwara so ke batla ke charge
bangana tata muda tata
Baba Fedimaka this guy yes it's spring this side baby spring this side hiyo is spring hiyo le Nancy spring wow there's nobody saying that no it does not look like rich.com that is sad that is just sad man I really thought somebody would have my back and be like no man no it doesn't look like that it doesn't look like rich kodwa everybody has their own what the hell is that I za la 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 za ntho e ka e diskite ball ai
Bana ba founa ba tabola dibolo. Jwale ha bolo e buang e tabohile akere ba bang ba di rekile and then se ba tshaba se ba no
ba tlo e taboha
ba ke tabola.
and nnete ba e taboha. So we can rumble, Soli lale, so we can sleep at Nare Dande, Zendaya, Landaya, Landaya. The vote is at least 6. Kaofela ntse di re yes.
Go tita.
Hore ke tshwana le ntho. Ai bushano bushano. Light it. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Cap cap cap. Stop the cap. Let the masses stop the cap. Let the masses stop the cap. Let the masses. My brother, this is the location. In the location, there's a lot of noises. And these noises are from people who complain and wonder and talk a whole lot of messed up ish. A whole lot of messed up ish, right? Okay. All right. So yeah, there's a membership tier if you want to see content beyond just this. As you can see, there's a link up there in the chat. Is it usable? Yes, it's usable. Oh. But what the ways up and down ba? Take you up and down, up and down, up and down. Then I look up and down, up and down.
Sa re lebitso la pina nene ya se speak ke hai. Hai ka po hai. Ya di vocal tsa Zolanda. Ka po.
Hi. I should speak. Agad tlameha ho bapala nako e telele mara. Ke piano live o tjhong le. Higher. Everybody put a logo now, that's all.
No. Bongani, bear.
Music video thing top tier mood. Mara high. Oh yeah, I can. That English like we pizza. Eh. Oh, they're having a real argument. Oh, they're having a real argument right there. There's another movie called Tropic Thunder. Have you guys seen Tropic Thunder? Now that is a movie right there. That's a movie right there, mate. That's a movie right there, mate. Gotta do the garden soon. Because even the spring is springing. Everything is sprouting. Yeah. Oh, I got that baby there. Patinating usual and edit drums I think Jersey drill. Banataka dinataka Jersey drill patineo. A tshwe ngwe iketsetsa yona for tšhelete hobane ke re ke yona e ba e ratang tje batho. Pina ha e sena ride eo batho ba e ratisise. Inataka ka line tshweng obvious. It's obvious. It's obvious my brother. Obvious my bladder. Obvious my bladder. Yes. So what happens when you what happens when you ask for the money and they do not agree? No, I take child and I say give money now. I say give money now. If you don't give, I take child. I put in oven. I say you give money now or I put on oven. You don't give, you give. I'm a level. You don't give, you give back. I tell you. Give money now or I take child. I take child and put in oven. Put in the oven.
Come take all of you now. Bina boy.
Ya hal.
Bina kauf.
Asiyona. Yeah.
What are that so much? I did not hear you. Bam. Toto.
Beyan skankan twetsen. Hey. Bell tsena. Be. Asintse ba balance ne. Daddy. Sometimes you gotta go and do what you were used to. Like I had to be on peace. Let me tell them all these niggas that I used to rap. And I used to rap. Took all of my inspiration. City. Wanna get in fun. What? Ice. Ano ba kena wena? Tapi ko bakini no. Isa. Oye mera. Oye mera. Oye mera. Kuna table di two step isa wena. Kutise bokunyana hemfa. Oye mera. Ay katlem. Audi kene mfana. Batla shebana le dibuka tsa. Mfana le phone ya ona stress wena. Ana nako tsa di isa. Oye mera. Oye mera. Na. Asengwena. Wow, okay, hey. Magalwana ka nna man ke re mkhotso onsa sa tatila ho. Ke bani bona? How di kene mfana wana nako di kene sa. Planta body. Emamu. Oh, fethu. Emamu. Oh. What's a Joanna? Ofika black khona tlo mo botsa lebitso like ma. Lebitso la ma. Ke mpho. Mpho amana Katlego. Body, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name, eh? Wabalia Joan. Go fa game mfana, wabalia. Tunataka Oh, mphosane. Ish, anakatleho sana. Dula kae? Nakudula kaMthibeli, wa tsaka kaMthibeli. Oh, ka strateng sa Bopilisi. Kana. Eh, ke a tseba kana. O dula kae? Katleho. Tlo ba le bathata fela ka o se o tlabe o tlo fereya mo. Tlabe o sa tsebe go bue ka. Tlo e tsetse o fere o shebana le phone. Joey. Ya tsere bathata bo se mo. Ka ba o botsa gore jwale heno ko kae? O dula ntlong ya kgolo? Ke wena eno e kgolo enough. Wena. Nna ke dula Panorama kwana. Nna ke dula Panorama kwa. Ke eno butia le ena. Gola le ena o tshwere mathata. Tshwere mathata. O fitlhiwa departmenteng eo. Emamo. Ngwana ma. Jwale wena no nyemisetsang fela o sa tsebe gore ke lebitso la ka ke mang? Okay, askisi nna ke 14 wena ma. Nna ke Diseba. Nna ke Diseba. Oh, Diseba. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So, jolly Diseba when I'm in the hair. How could see, like, like, I kind of like you. I can't have a little hello, I kind of like you. I like your hair. I like your style. I like your style. Why you like my style? Like what? My style for what? For what? I love you. I love you. You love me in when? Hello, Joe. Who come on and on? And I will say to be 14. I'm not 14. Next. Kau ye tsi sa o fere. Kau ye tsi 14. Bitsa la 14. Yeah, I love you so much. But ka bona sani to check sani. Abo akso dumele wena. Ke so njisa ke to mpona sani. But it's none of your business. It's no discussion here. I ferry you. Huh? You understand? Sani 4 o'clock. To kopana le wena uku. Bana ba Bethlehem. Ka o jwetsa.
Ka jere o eng. O ntse re jwetsa ntse. Lona ba shimane, ke lona ba dulang ba le bontse ba bona. O bua ka bo haholo a re botse tse haholo batho ba hlanyang ke boma. Anjere kwa shimane. Batho ba tsebang batho ja batho ba shwang haholo. Go again. Next time you banana little come because little order was she money she.
Temu. Yeah. Bada mosimane a hlanyang futu. Temu.
Okay. Batho ba hlanyang ha ba ye sepetlele mara wena e o je ntho e tswang ka tonkeng o ya no ba founela no ambulance
And then late. Ahora mhla ba tlo tlohela o be ntho motho a etsang fela a ja something poisonous he go gae ke tlo ba hantle fokola never go ya sepetlele ka tšobane tsa tšobane mara ngwenya o tlo thola gore o ja diet tse dingwe every day tse tswang ka dang every day hai nka dampe ntho eo hore fere ya emfana fere at least rona ne re mashopong re test hore fere jwang a fete come later next time ha khutla since ha khutla wa mlata ha khutla tlo ba mo gomme ba tlo re ka airtime se tsoya re go feletse a ba tula mo a ka feletsa okay feletsa a qeta ke mo jetse go ha o khutla hape o yeme mo ka ba kena shopo nna ke tla go rekela ntho e batlang kapa jwang 14 mfana ye 14 kapa jwang mfana wabo wa dumela
ha tse o dumelang
wa dumela is don't fela dumela we are on the right side of the law okay o ipotse ba nne bona ba tlo ferana jwang ba bo bongane lona le ntse le sa fereje
o ratile ho tswela machineng tona thabananyana ka di-roses are red violets are blue fana no wa di rata di-pushini ne a ke se ka ke bona mfana wa keng ke se ka ke mbona kentse ntho dula kentse pushini gola e batle ntho maona lo ikena
se da se kwaleileng
bo butse jwa
never seen him at all rolling away so we can rumble. Hi. 10 votes. Come on. 10%. 10 votes, man. 80%. Y'all are crazy. For thinking that. The man who hula hampi. No, o hlabua ka makeup every day. O gabe jwalo. Na bona thaka naturally handsome. Every day. hlaba ka naturally handsome, no makeup, no nothing, just sunlight. And as in sunlight, they want sunlight and sunlight. You can see high double combination. Combination and with so some blind. Dari itirela. Tlamelo how responda. Ka o bua, ha o kgone ho responda ka o ngola. Tinela da ile eno fela.
ntse ba ile
Ile. Ke
ka
ma
TikTok so
ke ngola live le. Wetsa di live kapa ke TikTok.
o na lo ba live o na lo tsa di live o rata di live
Plus di live di simple. A hloka lo nane ntho tse ngata. Bua fela. O gona thwa ke depression e kae?
ke tsela go tlo
25k. 25k. Ka o jwetsa. Album monyaneng ya Risu o so e mametse. Ke feng e tjhesang lapeng? Solo.
ya hai e ba etsa o na le muso e thandang so mo fana wa stata ke ma
Bine kutlwe. Bine kutlwe. Hai Katleho. Tlamela tla e tjhese mfana. Shosho. Pa. La. La. Eh? I feel. Rolling away kapa yena. Iyo le. Mnandi le. Le ngoma emnandi doti emnandi. Mnandi le. Waze wamnandi. Baya hejwa. Lutsuwa bete. Hai. Ditubani tse pedi. Ai, o ratile. Ne bona o itsabela update jwa ka katiba e. Ana stress. Go batho ba tlo reng ana stress a mfe. Bonolelo ke tse ka tibang ka reng ke a basadi. Se basadi yena, se basadi.
a ne ba e roka ga ba re ke a basadi
Ena o tlo tjho jwalo yo. Tlo tjho jwalo straight. Ke bone ke bokae? 12%. I ngata 12%. West part. Ntšhona na se shwele. Ha da mane o e mmontse yo. O qeta power bank jwang? How do you finish a power bank, eh? How do you do that, eh? No. Ke ipotsa no yena I show speed o kae because we went live.
USA
Not today.
because ba mo file 35 days ke 35 mara ke sa kuma short 35
Ya go gaetse
a bile a le da
a ska na travel around.
a le da a bile a le da wa move ne yena wa move mara ka USA ke connect ma
Ke content creator le
kwa ke Mr Beast
Beast ba reisitse nnete kapa nne le video ya fake
ya bane ba reise ka dintho ya ba la reise
Mr Beast le da reise a dutse di mantho yo
so far yo
never o gopa le o reisa fela wa ya sa mo reisa ka manto straight
ke so far yo fela msibeng
like ntho racing eo on tone o tlile dintho tse ngata tse le gore ntho ka di sebedisa like Mr Beast o tlile dintho tse ngata tsa ka di sebedisang o raisa ntho
le sofa bana le lenyane ya bana ba kenang ka yo
stroller
o e control fa
ana kelelle de
le kolo ye nngwe so e batlileng msi
e nyenyane ba ne ba le ka trekking ne ba le trekking kapa ntho strateng ne ba etseditse nthong hae strateng dintho tseno kaofela le batho ne ba tlo tlala pole ba le babedi jwalo ba famous way too much qetelletse o kwatile o nathile motho ka mpama can I have a why you lose your temper
ba tloa hole o tla bona motho eo fela o tloe re itse tla bona mthakole fela
mara ke re wa morata he's cool o bona he's very cool ntse ba mbona fela ba this guy is cool Mara he ba bete ho na le batho ba travelang ho tloha kae like country to country the way yena a tsamayang ka teng. Ankere le yena o via a ka tloha mona a ye somewhere and then a tlohe mona a ye somewhere and then a tlohe mona. Motho eno na i-one a ratang diamond, a ratang speed, o bona nka tjhelete ya hae a palame a shebe mfana o palama ho ya kae a ye da ha mfana wa nka flight enana mfana wa nka the following one ya mo latela. Ke ha hothwe motho he ke fan he a ile jwalo. Le ka ntho e ne etsahala jwalo ka Michael Jackson. West part Michael Jackson o na sa etse bo dintho di Instagram bo di eng o na sena ntho tse. No tlamehile o emele newspaper o tseba hore Michael Jackson o tloya kae. A newspaper next month gig ya Diamond e tlo ba New York. O go tlamehile wena plan hore okay a ke tla mbona New York and then ha ka tloha ya kae wa sheba okay ha tloha mono ya da tla be sentse ke plan ho tloha mona ke ya da. Mara ya nana o itshotla ho no ka mara se kwa bona ntho ya hae concert ya hae se kwa bona concert ya hae e felletseng ya Michael Jackson ha o so e bone yes o na le ma concert ya teng a kgola nka bo ma 30 minutes ha so bina so etse next ba tlisa briefcase ba be stage briefcase le no ha o tsebe hore ke eng ka mono batho sentse ba hlanya ke yona fela briefcase ha so hlaye yena sele ha ke yena holle kwa ha ba tsebe le hore holla kwa ya ene mara ba utlwa kwa a ba hlaya le kana gore light re hlahise yena le briefcase fela stadium ha ona ntho engwe e bonala kwa ha fihla plus suitcase khona a inahanang beterenyana a ka ba shebe ba ge batho ka nako e shit by the time nkang a bula briefcase a rahla ha e bula briefcase o ntsha jase a kenye jase pele batho ba ihlanyetse o polena le dintho tsa diamond e tletse tsona fela a keta o e kenya ere ha jore ya ke yo ntshe dieta tsa nenehetsa hae wa bona dieta tse etsang ntho ka yona moonwalk ka tsona a ntshe tsona ha keta o ntsha tsona e shwele phone ya ha keta o ntsha tsona a ba ntsha ntho last thing a intshang ke glove ya ne gold ya le ha e kenya oh batho ba ge o pula di ambulance sentse di nka batho ba bang di ba tsamaisa ba ya nthong ha ba bona la bina re man Jesus by the time a kenyang glove eo anatha dudu Jesus so na le batho ba kae ba kgileng ka nako Jesus Michael Jackson Diamond le legend Diamond le lenja o lenja he bua ka Diamond she said I am the one I get that batlisa Chris Tucker Chris Tucker you got knocked the fuck out I'm to wow Friday Hunto, Rashao, Musutian wa Rashao, ya Jackie Chan, Rashao. Hey, yani na yetsang, you, that guy. Abatlisa yena, Michael Jackson a tlisela mane a tlisele Asha. Dumelang. Abatlise ba le babedi ntho stage. Ntho Chris Tucker ba ntse etsang ka go ngwametsisa la. A jive ska ntho a ka ta tshwatle. Michael Jackson a itshwatla ga ena ba no bapala ka nna no. Magara party o fela. Lisabai. Fu. More ba nna re shebeletse Michael Jackson a na le Chris Tucker. And I get Chris Tucker kere aba hosted into the awards. Aba kenella Michael Jackson di awards engwe le jwalo. A sa foto gore da mane o tlo mo bona or what. O kenella o le jwalo. She said I am the one. I need a da. People always tell me. Yeah, just tell me close. What's up, Tata Bagay? I try to dear guy. Because I got close a moon, ne? I'd be a monan. Se reinvite Bonya Upe boy. Bonya Upe boy was oh, not fresh, man. Sieza. Sibu mona na thola go motho ke nona o busy o batla o tshwatlana le ntho le mati la fridge wa bo. People always told me, be careful what you do. I don't mind. Gonna be anyone. Ooh, feel a thing. It's not my love. Ooh, she's just a girl that I know. But she's not my love. Oh, Hana, Billie Jean ke motho wa ka mara ngwana wa swaka. But the kid's not my son. Yeah. She said I am the one. She said I am the one. She said I am the one. But Billie Jean's not my son. People always tell me. I bet you don't. People always tell me, be careful what you do. Think they don't want to give on now. He puts on a screaming guy just to get that voice. People always tell me, be careful what you do. Hey, what about gun? Battle chase. Hey, what about gun? Okakalla mishe. O batla chase, mbone batle mo hata hlwe. Tswile o hlanya mo balenteng. People always tell me, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. People always tell me, be careful what you do. But mo feel a threat. Bone me o molatile ka shot ba. Ne sentse lo mo fa beating engwe sega sa. Hey wena. What's that winner? Are you crazy? People always tell me, be careful what you do. lover. She's just a girl, and I am the one. But this not my son. Nche guy, remote guy. Eh? Oh, okay. Kona we share landai. Manati dai. I click we share like a yo. You gotta see it. What's anche ebuhloko ke parting ya yona. Ba kidnapper ngwana ne. Baba kidnap, in fact, Baba kidnapper ba le babedi. But then they make a mistake banke ngwana wa the poor guy. The rich guy is like, it's not my fault bankile ngwana how. Yeah. Shit. Damn. That man at kata utsholo, I'm like, you. Hopeless boso. Arbona. But how about 17.5 million? Na ke patala for ngwana e seng wa. Shit. Kana kono ne ke mpentsa ha motho a buang jwalo ka ena. Ngwana ya re eme na bo. Ke utlwisisa ntho e buang mara diamond ha o sa patale ntho ya teng. Ya ransom money o ya teng. Problem e tlo ba yuan. But ba social media ba tlo re you didn't even try. How I try next like you didn't try at all. Go saving one no. And the worst part ngonyana sina chelete o bua nnete. Eh? Oh ke so dia ntho ya mthini. And ba itse that is number 1 on the like that is K-pop. Number 1. Kana kuno gona re tsebe fokola nna ke soka ke shebela there. People always tell me, be careful what you do. Penalties, it's not my love. Ooh, just a girl. Then I am the one. Penalties, not my son. She said I am the one. She said I am the one. It's not my son. Now look at this. This guy. Hi, go boy, let me get you.
She's trying to amplify the blast radius. Right now, she only has one canister of zip, but if you put that together with the right kind of
Maybe Lena Najal.
we'll never be able
It's not my lover. She's just a girl. That I am the one. I'm feeling it's not my son. Just say I am the one. In Damn, money on me. Careful what you do. See the winning gonna need no. But today it's a voice I got be fucked up. I need to stop doing that. Sitting on it later. Ooh, Billie Jean's the my lover. Ooh, just the girl that I am the one. Billie Jean's the my son. She said I am the one. Say that. She said I am the one. She's not my son. People always told me. People always told me, be careful what you do. Yeah, Patio. Jali itin na lang. Moon. In Jenny. Kyoning kabata. What's he holding na? Naga Michael Jackson. What's your jalo? What's it? What's your jalo? Google. Google. Eh, yani tu. Una ka hana record. Nickel day that day. What's what I do yung friend? Okay. But now what's up with that? Emily, believe me. Believe I fair. People always tell me, be careful what you do. Billie Jean's it's not my lover. She's just a girl. Okay, na kwa. Billie Jean's not my son. She said I am the Lord. Tina, Tina, Tina,
This antidote Patterson created is actually pretty ingenious.
Please.
She just thinks the dosing is off. The amount she gave you would have worked for almost anyone else, but
Okay,
you've been
fine.
exposed to such heavy amounts of zip in the past that it wasn't enough. You just need to flood your system and you'll be fine. So no, tell me, you get enough of Patterson's cocktail and you'll lead a long, happy life. Let me just grab everything. Thank you.
Good stuff.
Wait, Ma, you said I need to do something. You need some.
I'm calling you.
I need to. I'm okay.
She will be. Probably.
Bodies in the wind, Thomas is dead, and his goons aren't talking, but the cathedral was in a total bust.
Yeah. Based on some Thomas's notes that we found there, we know that the device is C4 based and approximately.
Your pages and I
There's
wonder
no
why.
metal shading and shrapnel. We've sent it to the lab for analysis. So we don't have anything. It's a lot of breadcrumbs, but we'll figure out where they lead. Okay. If Ivy sets us off again,
Okay.
how many people affected?
Well, we're probably looking at hundreds or thousands of fatalities from the initial blast, but in terms of the zip fallout, that's kind of hard to say. It all sort of depends on location, speed of wind, whether there's any ballpark risk. Millions of people lose their lives.
Millions.
You know, I only ever wanted to help you out.
Laugh at it.
No, I manipulated Jane Doe. I'm the director.
The one who is like a
Yeah, this is the guy carrying it on there.
I believed in the mission.
This is the guy.
It was a terrorist organization.
What's that mean? The US government almost killed you in an unlawful drone attack. I saved you. The decision which ended up getting my wife killed.
I know, but it's like a
Drastic needed to be done, but real change needs to be made.
You mean vengeance carried out?
That was never
Mom,
said,
the van.
Lieutenant.
The van.
Got hurt, yes.
But oh well,
I know.
maybe I'm wrong.
No
See you
surprise,
guys next
I know.
time.